This video course contains proven steps and strategies on how to handle all the areas of insomnia, from the causes to the steps on how to cure it. All the information in this video course will help you to overcome the process of insomnia. All of the nights staying awake and all of the days constantly feeling exhausted will fade away. After watching this video course, you will not only learn about where insomnia comes from, but you will also know how to cure any part of it. Thanks again, and I hope that you'll enjoy this video course and benefit immensely from it.